Cucumber grafting with pumpkin seedlings. Begin by gently pinching off the top bud along with the very first true leaf. Next, take a grafting needle and carefully aim it at the center of the pumpkin seedling's growth point. Then insert it downward about half a centimeter. Select a strong, healthy cucumber seedling. Move about 2 centimeters below its top bud on the stem and make a clean diagonal cut at roughly a 35-degree angle. Insert the slanted tip of the cucumber stem into the center of the pumpkin seedling's growth point. And just like that, a new grafted cucumber seedling is complete. Simple, isn't it? With this method, cucumbers become more resilient and the harvest is far more abundant. Plant just one, and you'll be able to enjoy crisp cucumbers all through spring, summer, and autumn. That's it for today. Till we meet again. Watermelon, seedling, grafting. Start by making a neat diagonal cut to remove the tender top bud of the pumpkin seedling. Then, on both the watermelon and the pumpkin seedlings, move about 1 centimeter down from the top of the stem and make matching slant cuts at a 45-degree angle. One upward, one downward. Take care not to cut too deep. Fit the 2 cut surfaces together and secure the graft firmly with a special clip. Your grafted seedling is ready. And here's a little thought to share. Sometimes a touch of lighthearted boasting can be fun. It entertains and adds a bit of humor to the process. Here's another clever grafting trick for you. Whether this makes you a true master grafter, that's for you to decide. Peach tree, summer grafting. Choose a main or side branch of a yellow peach tree, preferably one on the north-facing side where the light is softer. Make a shortcut using the standard cleft grafting method. Select a branch from a bawang peach tree that is already finished fruiting. Cut it short and insert it neatly into the cleft. Make sure the bark layers line up for best results. Wrap the graft securely with grafting film, leaving the leaf stalk of the bawang peach exposed. That's all, no need to repeat the details. Once wrapped, cover it with a protective film to ensure a strong chance of success. Summer grafting in warm conditions encourages better yields by performing several grafts at once. You can complete the variety conversion before the end of the month.